Whether you just got your first set or want to learn more, here are 5 helpful AirPods tips. When you're wearing your AirPods, you can share audio you're listening to with a friend using their AirPods or Beats wireless headphones. In Control Center, tap the button for your AirPods, and then tap Share Audio. If your friend is already wearing their AirPods, when they bring their iPhone near yours, they can tap the Join button. If their AirPods are still in their case, bring it close to your iPhone and open the lid. When your friend's AirPods appear on your screen, tap Share Audio. Then, press and hold the Setup button on the back of their AirPods case for a few seconds. This will temporarily connect them to your iPhone while you share audio. You can adjust the volume with the controls on each set of headphones, or in Control Center on your device. Now, you can jam out together. Want to give your AirPods a new name? While wearing them, in Settings, tap your AirPods. Tap their current name, and then enter a new one. Just tap Done to save it. Live Listen uses the microphone on your iPhone or iPad to send audio to your AirPods so you can hear someone more clearly in a noisy environment or even from across the room. In Settings, scroll down and tap Control Center. Then, scroll down and tap the Add button next to Hearing. Now, open Control Center and tap the Hearing button. With your headphones connected, tap Live Listen to turn it on. Audio is sent from the microphone on your device to your AirPods. Just tap Live Listen again to turn it off. With hearing controls added to Control Center, you can listen to background sounds with your AirPods to minimize distractions while using your iPhone, or to just get some rest. From the hearing controls, tap Background Sounds, and tap the background sounds icon to turn it on. This is also how you turn it off. Then, tap a sound. You can choose from sounds like bright noise, ocean, rain, and more. To adjust the volume, drag the volume slider. So soothing. You can have Siri announce incoming notifications while you're wearing your AirPods. In Settings, tap Notifications. Next, tap Announce Notifications, and then tap to turn it on. And that's it. When your iPhone screen is locked and dark, Siri will announce your incoming notifications from supported apps like Messages and Reminders.
From Rebecca Hernandez, let's catch a movie this weekend.
Now that you know these tips, keep exploring to discover what else you can do with your AirPods. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the YouTube channel, or click another video to keep watching.